How to send money from Chime to Bank of America. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Chime account, and after that you will be able to find the option of move money at the bottom. Just simply select it. After that, you need to select the option of transfer from other banks. Then it will prompt you to link your external account. Just simply click on it. After that, continue. Then choose Bank of America as your option, and in case if you are not able to find it, then just simply search for it and you will be able to find it. After that, you need to enter the credentials of your Bank of America, then verify your identity either through your SMS or call. Then it will show you your checking and savings account of Bank of America. Just continue with it. Now you need to select the sender and recipient. Select Chime as the sender and Bank of America as recipient. After that, type the amount that you want to send and confirm this particular transaction. This way, you would be able to send the money from Chime to Bank of America, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.